Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a picture of the background in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Docs and that document that you'd like to add that image in. So we need to click onto insert from here and then click onto image. And now we've got a few options how to upload that image. So for this, I'm going to upload from my computer. So I'm going to choose that image here. So now you can see here, this is the image inside of Google Docs. Now from here, you want to click onto the image and then click onto image options. Now on the right, you've got image options. Go ahead and click on text wrapping and then click on behind text. So if you want to write on top, we can. And then from here, scroll down, click onto position, and then we can position this. Now we want to go ahead and fit position on page. So select that and then select the first option X and type in 0. Set this to 0 as well. So I'm going to remove that, click on 0. Now from here, exit out, and then we want to go ahead and drag out the image to fit the page like so. There we go. And now if you want to go ahead and add some text, we can, and that's going to appear on top of the page.